Shalom, blessed feast of Ascension of Blessed Virgin Mary, and Independence Day for Indian. We have great concern about Londoners. Whatever may be the reason, if they can restore the peace and order, we would highly appreciate. We time and again repeat, life is important, your presence is much more important than how we live. If we live, we can improve things, we can make better things. So all our effort towards making things better, we need your contribution towards that. Today we are going to discuss the little bit alteration in the architectural, how it will contribute to the society and economy. The term centralized AC and solar energy are not new for us, are in use already. But solar energy in centralized air conditioning, room heating water is not so far in existence. We don't detail here the use of the benefits of self-sufficiency in energy, but of course the houses, if they can be self-sufficient in energy, it has vital role in reducing the number of grids. Energy we can produce using panels on the rooftop, as well. Now the country Israel developed power windows which can produce electricity from the solar energy. Another suggestion came is using insulators in building houses. We add condensers to save extra energy when people are not living or not using, to assure uninterrupted power supply. Also we introduce sensors which will provide automatic power supply for light and air condition, so that it has some application for the security also. If a person is missing, it will locate the light because it's automatic. It will locate the missing person as well. It will tell if any foreign body is available there without our knowledge. It's a kind of security also. Then if we fix two alcoves, one for a toilet, if we take the room off and only for a seating arrangement is done, and this can be this can be floated to a deep well beneath the building to excrement disposals. So it will avoid the excrements floating into the drainage. So we can use the drainage water directly for the agriculture use by purifying it. It's not much expensive, but we can use rather than we are floating to the sea or somewhere is damaging in the environment. After segregating usable, reusable garbage from the garbage as well for the recycling, so only the bio garbage, if it is rooted, if we can throw inside the house, so it will root to another well which can produce biogas or composite for manure. So it will help a lot of transportation of the cost of the garbages. In addition, it can provide biogas. Biogas is not a new term. In the land of Kerala, they use it from the cow dung and the urine of that. So the required water can be used from the bathrooms. So the people now who are carrying the garbage, they can be deputed into maintain a kitchen garden around the premises. It will keep the premises clean all the time, and the land is in use, they can produce some money for the municipality. Here we see is the road built around the houses, the building. You know, it will take the place required for the staircase, what we are using now for the staircase, you can convert into a balcony where you can park in every floors the cars. If you have excess number, you can additional annex you can extend here in every floor. And these roads can be linked to the next buildings. Suppose if there is a thousands of buildings around a city, so if you link, it's works as a additional road. It helps constructing a road, and in the time of traffic jams you can use it, or if you regular in using it, you can reduce the traffic jams. This road can be also useful if we are making electronic cars, so to put the cables to make it electronic possible. Okay, then the people who are not using all the time the cars, they can use put elevators that will also work automatically. So today we have little portion, but it's very important since we are working into building homes. Good luck.